Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change screen lock password on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. So, right now, I have a pin on my phone with a very basic password. So, let's change that. First, you want to go into settings, scroll a little bit until you see lock screen and AOD. You want to click it and click the very first option, screen lock and biometrics. We'll have to input our current password. For me it's 1234. And here we can change to something else. For example, let's say pattern. Now we'll have to input the same password twice. And as you can see, the new pattern is now set. And when we leave, lock our phone, we'll see that now we don't have PIN, but instead a pattern. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.